sport fest po namin ngayon.
Opo, hindi na alam ko po yan. Ganun ba? Meron pa ba kayo mga
Wala naman. Next time ulit.
Ayan, bigla ang imbita kay Vice Mayor at kay Consi Angelo na magsalita sa isang sports fest sa isang private school dito sa Barangay Santolan. Araw ng sports fest dito sa kanilang eskwelahan, private school, at nakita si Vice Mayor at saka si Consi Angelo at kinausap na kung pwedeng maging guest speaker at pinagbigyan naman nila.
Good morning, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Sa Lilipan School, we were outside, nasa labas na kami, nagawin po kami offline na ayusan. Kung saan, araw-araw may gusto kami sa mga barangay para mag-instruction, i-discipline na marriage, i-hotel, para maganda ang ating kapaligiran. So, nakakita po kami dito tayo naman na isa pag-kick-off ng inyong sports fest. So sa ating mga bata, ako ay dating isang basketball player din. Yung araw, ako'y nakataan. Sino dito nanonood ng PBA? Sino kami nanonood ng PBA? Dati ako'y nanonood sa barangay Ginebra. So, itong sports, mga bata, kailangan pag kayo naglalaro ng sports, ito ay test ng inyong character. Dito makikita kung ano ang pagkatao ninyo. Bakit? Kasi iba lahat gagawin para manalo. Pero hindi tama ang magdala ka para manalo ka. Kailangan always play fair. Diba? That's why in sports, we develop our character. So ito ang opportunity ninyo sa sports ninyo to develop not only your skills, but also in relationships with each other. other and to show that you are good people. You have to always play fair, play hard, and play by the rules. So sa ating mga administrators ng ating school, sa ating mga officers na dito, I wish you all the best and thank you for promoting sports. So we really need to push for sports. Lalo na po ngayon, ang mga bata, puro lagi ng mga now we have to change the mindset. Dahil there is a direct link now. Studies are showing na mas marami po ang nagkakaroon ng issues with mental wellness because of the lack of physical activity. So I hope that these kids realize and participate in this sports fest of yours. Of course, kasama ko rin si Councilor Angelo De Leon. Kapag naman si Councilor Angelo. One councilor po natin yan. So, unfortunately, Mayor Vico is not available now. Pero pinapaabot na rin ang kanyang pagbati sa inyong lahat. So, hindi ko po pahabaan. All the best to our sports fanatics that are here today. In my eyes, all of you are champions already. Good morning and God bless.
Ako naman kakaalala. But of course, to give us also her inspiration message to us, I want to voice that we have. Of course, she is our #1 counselor in all of Pasig. An athlete herself, you can see her post recently. So, she does not need any longer introduction, so with no options, let us all welcome and give a big round of applause to Councilor Angelo De Leon.
Teachers, please proceed to stage.
Sige. Kasi pakuha ko na lang yung ay sa ano tayo nagpunta sa paano ko na ito? Kaya pa-verify ko na yung may ano, naayos pa raw yung video